Take a ride in the 2020 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, power sunroof, autonomous braking. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.